Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. From this stylish and well-appointed villa, enjoy the cool climate of Stony Hill and see the picturesque surrounding hills. This in the upscale and preferred residential community called Montgomery. This single-family home with 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms is set on half an acre that is nicely landscaped. 3 bedrooms are on the 3rd floor, which is a self-contained suite. This delightful architectural statement comes equipped with a customized elevator for easy movement between floor levels. An open living room vaults up 3 levels with double circular skylights and windows that energize the house with sunlight. From here, there is easy flow into an expansive space for entertainment. This dream home with marble tiling is adorned with tray ceilings, handcrafted moldings, granite countertops in kitchens and bathrooms. Other features include a gym with provision for a sauna, and there is so much more to see. Guys, it's time to see this gem. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 3 million or Jamaican $461.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.